Good morning, students. I am Manibhushan Prashant, class 10. This lesson is for class 10, subject mathematics, topic similar triangles. In similar triangles, we have already done the Thales theorem, problems on Thales theorems, and now similar triangles. Is it clear? Now, today we are doing on Pythagoras theorem and converse of Pythagoras theorem and some problems based on it. Just see. The Pythagoras theorem. It says, what is the statement of Pythagoras theorem? In a right triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. So say, in a right triangle, a square of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. For this purpose, we just suppose that ABC is a triangle and angle B is 90 degrees. So the hypotenuse becomes your AC. What I have to prove? AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. Okay. To prove this, we draw construction. What is the construction? BD perpendicular to AC. Okay. Now we will try to prove the similarity of this smaller triangle and the bigger one. Okay. Just see the small triangle is your ABD and it is your ABC. But we find that angle A is common and angle B is equal to angle D. So it is mentioned here angle A is equal to angle A and ABC is equal to ADB 90 degree. Now if two angles are equal, so the triangle will be similar. So that we write ABC similar ADB. Just see mention here A is equal to A, so that we have written A is equal to A. Now B is equal to D, so that B is equal to D. Okay, you must careful to write the name of the triangle. That must be in the corresponding form. So that angle C should be equal to angle B. Now, if there is a similar triangle, so that we can take the ratio AB by AD is equal to AC by AB. Okay, so cross multiply, we will get AB square is equal to AD into AC. Have you understand this part? The same thing we are doing for the once again for this smaller triangle, just see BCD and the bigger triangle ABC. What is common? C is common and angle B is equal to angle D. See once again angle C is equal to angle C and ABC is equal to BDC 90 degree. So the triangles ABC is similar to triangle BDC by a similarity. See once again C is equal to C. So third position C is equal to C. Second position AB is equal to D. So B is equal to D. So the name should be BDC. Now take the ratios. See here BC. I have taken the last two. BC by DC and AC by BC. So if you do the cross multiplication, BC square is equal to DC into AC. Now from 1 and 2, you will add simply AB square plus BC square. Your AB square is AD into AC. BC square is DC into AC. Now you can take AC common, AD plus DC, and by the figure, AD plus DC will be equal to AC. So this is AC into AC, AC square. Hence proved. Clear? So this is about your Pythagoras theorem. Now take the converse of Pythagoras theorem. You should be careful for the statement. Learn carefully. Just see. It says that in a triangle, if the squares of one side is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. I mean, a square of one side is equal to the sum of the squares of other two sides. Then the angle opposite to the side is a right angle. What we suppose here? Triangle ABC, and it is given that AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Same Pythagoras result. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. And so we have to prove now that angle B is 90 degree. I mean, it is a right angle triangle. To prove this, we do construction. We draw a triangle DEF such that D is equal to AB and EF is equal to BC and angle E 90 degree. Okay. Here it is not 90 degree. We have to prove that angle B will be 90. So that purpose, we have supposed a triangle DEF such that D is equal to AB and EF is equal to BC. Angle E is 90. Okay. And now draw DF so that this is a right angle triangle. Now in DEF, just see the proof. DEF angle E is 90. So using Pythagoras result, what will happen? DF square is equal to DE square plus EF square. Okay, but D is equal to AB, so it is AB square. EF is equal to BC, so that it is BC square. Now AB square plus BC square, it is already given AC square. So we will write here AC square. So that DF square is equal to AC square. I mean DF is equal to AC. So in this way we find that D is equal to AB, EF is equal to BC and DF is equal to AC. These two are from construction and this is we have proved at present that DF is equal to AC. So we find that these two triangles are congruent by SSS congruency. And if they are congruent, then angle E will be equal to angle B. But E is already 90. So that angle B will be 90 degree. Clear? So students, you must learn the Pythagoras theorem as well as the converse of Pythagoras theorem and its statements also, so that you can judge that which one is asked in your question paper. See now problems. Now some important problems based on Pythagoras. Okay, these are also known as a result. As a result, you can use now in further problems. So I have taken now. See, in triangle ABC, it says that angle B is acute. Okay, angle B is acute and AD is perpendicular to BC. Then I have to prove that AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square minus 2BC into BD. This is also a result you have to use. See the proof. Now we just suppose that triangle ACD, D is 90 degree, so that we can write in triangle ACD, D is 90, so AC square is equal to, tell me, AC square is equal to AD square plus DC square. Now this AD square can be changed by this triangle. It is also 90 degree. So that this AD square can be written as AB square minus BD square. Or DC can be written as BC minus BD. Clear? DC can be written as BC minus BD. So here it is AB square minus BD square and the whole square can be expanded. Now BC square plus BD square minus 2BC into BD. Now BD square cancel, hence your result. That AC square is AB square plus BC square minus 2BC into BD. Okay. Now as it is the acute angles, remember the result also. As it is acute, so it will be here minus 2BC into BD. In case it is obtuse, then it will be plus. Just see this question. Now it says that in triangle ABC, B is an obtuse, AD perpendicular BC, and then we have to prove AC square, AB square plus BC square plus 2BCBD. Okay. See here. Now B is obtuse, so that the perpendicular comes outside. Now see, the proof is just similar as whatever we have done for acute triangle. Just see in triangle ACD. Okay. In that figure also we have taken triangle ACD. Now D is 90. So AC square is equal to AD square plus DC square. AD square can be written as, for this a smaller triangle, AB square minus DB square. No. And this DC can be written as now this DB plus BC. So DB plus BC the whole square. Expand this bracket. Clear? Now dv square cancel. Hence, you can prove AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square plus 2BC BD. So remember, if it is a right triangle, if it is a right triangle angle B is 90, then AC square is simply AB square plus BC square. If it is acute, B is acute, then it is if it is acute, just see the result. What is given here? That AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square minus 2BC into BD. And in case of obtuse, B is obtuse, then AC square is AB square plus BC square plus 2BC into BD. So you should know these results. Now let's see one more question. It is also a result that is used to prove some problems. See, is in case of median. It says that in a triangle, the sum of the squares of any two sides, what it says that the sum of the squares of any two sides is equal to the twice the square of half of the third side together with twice the square of the median. Clear? I mean, just see the figure, it will be clear to you. In triangle ABC, AD is median. AD is median. Then what is the result? AB square plus AC square will be equal to 2AD square plus 2BD square or DC 2DC square. So that, see, in triangle ABC, AD is median. I have to prove AB square plus AC square, AB square plus AC square is equal to 2AD square plus 2BD square. To prove this theorem, we just draw perpendicular AM perpendicular to BC. Now, as we have to use the Pythagoras result, and then we can simplify just AB square plus AC square. I have taken the LHS part now. AB square plus AC square. Now, this AB square can be converted. Now, see this right triangle. AB square can be written as, tell me, AM square plus BM square. So, AM square plus BM square. Now, AC square can be written as in the same way, AM square plus MC square. Written here. Now, change the bracket. So, 2M square plus BM square plus MC square. Now, this AM square can be converted now. AM square, just see the triangle AMD. AM square can be written as AD square minus MD square. Is it clear? Now this BM can be written as BD minus MD. So BD minus MD the whole square. And now MC can be written as MD plus DC. Okay. So DC plus MD the whole square. Now we convert this, it is written here BD and DC and both are equal. So DC is converted into BD. And now change the bracket. 2AD square minus 2MD square. Here A minus B the whole square. Or also for this A plus B the whole square. A square B square 2AB. In this way you expand. Now very easily you can find that these two are cancelled. Okay. These two are cancelled. And also just see 2MD square, your MD square and MD square, it is cancelled. So finally we have 2AD square plus 2BD square. Hence our result AB square plus AC square is equal to 2AB square plus 2AD square. So if you do the practice, you will find it is quite easy. Simply you have to use the Pythagoras result for all these three right triangles. No, at first for AB square. So for this one we take triangle ABM. For AC square we take the triangle AMC. Okay, and not to convert once again, for you can use and get the result. Is it clear? Now students, one more, using the same results for median, this is a question to you. It is a very good question. So many times it is asked in the examinations. Just see, prove that 3 times the sum of the squares of the sides of a triangle. It is for all triangle. So 3 times the sum of the squares of the sides of a triangle is equal to the 4 times the sum of the squares of the medians. I mean, for a triangle ABC, AD, B and CF are medians. AD, B and CF are median. What I have to prove? 3 times the squares of the sides. I mean AB square plus BC square plus AC square. And 4 times the medians. The square of the medians. I mean AD square plus B square plus CF square. Is it clear? Its result, just see the proof now. We will use the result of the medians. See here. AD is median. AD is median, so that we can write AB square plus AC square is equal to 2AD square plus 2BD squares. I have written here. AB square plus AC square is equal to 2AD square plus 2BD square. But as D is the midpoint, so BD can be written as BC by 2, the whole square. So if you simplify, you will find BC square by 2. And now take LCM. So that 2AB square is equal to 2AC square is equal to 4AD square plus BC square. By 2, you will multiply all the terms. So 2AB square plus 2AC square is equal to 4AD square plus BC square. So that you have to remember this result. For median, AD is median. So AB square, the see figure, AD is median. So we written AB square plus AC square is equal to 2AD square plus 2BD square. Now, in the same way, if B is median, in the same pattern you can write, just see, B is median. So what will happen? This AB square plus BC square, but we write in this format. So 2AB square plus 2BC square is equal to 4B square plus AC square. And CF is median. You can write 2BC square plus 2AC square is equal to 4CF square plus AB square. In the same patterns of this one, you can write all these three. Okay, and adding first, second and thirds, we find, just see, 2AB square and 2AB square. So 4AB square, here 2B square, 2B square, so 4BC square, 4AC square. And now this one, all these three will be in the left side. And so it is 3 times AB square, 3 times BC square, 3AC square, 4AD square, 4B square, 4CF square. Take the common. So 3 times the sum of the squares of the side is equal to 4 times the sum of the squares of the median. Is it clear? So the students, we have given this 4 problems and the 2 theorems today. Learn it and do the practice for these 2 and try to solve some more problems. We will discuss more problems on Pythagoras in the next lecture. Thank you. Have a nice day.